Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share a few cards with you today. I am making these sets for my pastor's wife. It is her birthday, and I thought I would give her some card sets that she can send out to friends, family, or whoever she would like to. Her colors that she likes are pink and purple, and so that's what I chose to do for her. And let me show you a few things that I use to make these cards. I don't have everything because my friend sent me some flowers. She die cut some out for me, so I don't have, like I said, I don't have everything, but I'll show you what I did pull out of my stash. All right, so from Pink by Design, I am using Jesus Loves You, and I'll show you that on the card in the inside. And then this I'm using Thinking of You. I hope I'm getting the right stamp sets out. I also use Wishing You the Most Wonderful Birthday. Um, these little paint splatters. This came from my favorite themes. I'm using the scallop rectangles from CC Designs, and as well as In Love Arts. And then one other thing that I am using, and it's right here, and I want to show you, have fallen in love with this glitter dust. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And I added those on the lilies back there. So the flowers you can pick up from Altenew. And so let me show you what I have made. So here we go. We'll start off right here. So this is that CC Designs and the In Love Arts, and I think In Love Arts still have this in their store. I'm not definite if CC Designs still have this particular die. They might have something similar to it, not sure. And then in the inside, and in the inside of each card, each of these cards, this one I have the Jesus Love You down right in the corner so that our First Lady can witness as well. So that's what I did with that. And then here goes a purple one. Now what happened was with this yellow, I actually got some yellow when I was coloring these up because I colored each of these flowers with my markers, and accidentally got some yellow splotches on there and tried to enhance it. I'm not for sure how well I did with that yellow, but it is what it is now, so it's there, and I don't think it looks terrible. And so, like I said, there goes the inside, and then here goes the other two colors that I colored up for those. Okay, and then these, oops, and I didn't get the Blessed. The Blessed you can pick up from Paper Tray Ink. And then here goes the inside of this one, and this is that Elizabeth Craft die there. And then, like I said, in the inside, I put Jesus Loves You in all of these. So the inside of those are all the same. And then this is the flower set that I added the glitter on there, and you could probably see it there. But I love the way they turned out. I colored up everything. I pulled out some extra leaves that were in my stash because I had ran out of leaves. But my friend did a really good job at cutting these, and I just wanted a little bit more green. So, but yeah, there goes that one. I love that stamp set there. Wishing You the Most Wonderful Birthday. I think that is so pretty. So she'll be able to use those and send them out. So I really, really like how everything turned out, though. Let me know what you think. And also, I will be entering this into Saturday Morning Makes and hashtag spread kindness 57 as well, because I'm definitely spreading kindness 57 on these because they will be going to my pastor's wife for her birthday. All right, so tell me what you think, and just leave that comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.